The Big 6 Skills Conclusion. Remember, the Big 6 model of research will help you overcome information overload. There are 6 stages and 2 substages for each. Use the Big 6 to help you work smarter, not harder. Stage 1. Task definition. Define the information problem and identify information needed. Stage 2. Information seeking strategies. Determine all possible sources and select the best sources. Stage 3. Location and access. Locate your sources and find information within those sources. Stage 4. Use of information. Engage and extract relevant information. Stage 5. Synthesis. Organize from multiple sources and present the information. And finally, Stage 6. Evaluation. Judge the product and judge the process. Our Big 6 blend space. During the flipped lesson, you use blend space, a mashup of various types of digital media. Now, use your note catcher as a place to store written information before you put them in digital format. Each stage and substage is listed and has an adjoining space for your notes. The note catcher is a great place to stop and jot or just organize your information. The back has some great digital resources you should really check out. Now go forth and research. Don't just Google.